chopping wood with care. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer, pushing dirt everywhere. C is for crane, crane, lifting heavy loads. D is for dump truck, dump truck, carrying rocks down the road. E is for excavator, excavator, digging in the ground. F is for forklift, forklift, lifting boxes all around. G is for grader, grader, smoothing out the way. H is for hammer truck, hammer truck, breaking stones today. I is for impact drill, impact drill, drilling nice and deep. J is for jackhammer, jackhammer, pounding to the beat. K is for knuckle boom, knuckle boom, reaching high and low. L is for loader, loader, scooping dirt to go. M is for mixer truck, mixer truck, spinning round and round. N is for nailer, nailer, fixing boards all around. O is for oil tanker, oil tanker, fueling all the crew. P is for paver, paver, laying roads so new. Q is for quarry truck, quarry truck, hauling stones away. R is for road roller, roller, flattening every day. S is for skid steer, skid steer, turning left and right. T is for tower crane, tower crane, building up so high. U is for utility truck, utility truck, fixing power lines. V is for vibratory roller, roller, making roads so fine. W is for wrecking ball, wrecking ball, crashing down the wall. X is for X-ray loader, X loader, checking metal tall. Y is for yard truck, yard truck, throwing all the load.